Assalamualaikum and very good morning to all of you. How are you today? I hope you are ready for our class. Today we will learn about numbers and operation with subtopic even and odd numbers and number pattern. Okay, even and odd numbers. Even means genap. Odd means ganjil. What is even? What is odd? An even number is a number that can be divided into two equal groups. An odd number is a number that cannot be divided into two equal groups. Even numbers end in 2, 4, 6, 8, and 0 regardless on how many digits they have. We know the number 5, 917, 624 is even because it ends in a 4. Odd numbers end in 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. Example 1. Which is even and odd numbers? How to prove it? Let's say we have two numbers here, number 12 and number 15. Now we divide the numbers with 2. Okay. For 12, we got 6 as the answer, and for 15, we got 7. But for 12, we have no remainder, and for 15, we have one remainder. So, 12 is even number because we don't have any remainder here. But 15 is odd number because we have one remainder. Your task today, you can refer to textbook page 10 and your answers is here. Number 1, state all odd numbers from 520 to 530. Number 2, list all even numbers from 2001 to 2012. And number 3, classify the following into even and odd numbers. Next, number pattern. What is number pattern? Number pattern is a pattern or sequence in a series of numbers. This pattern generally establishes a common relationship between all numbers. Example 1. We got here number 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, and 25. So, when we make a number line here, so we know that 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15, and so on. Here, we get the numbers in the pattern by skip counting by 5. Given are the steps to identify a number pattern. Here's the step. To solve the problems of number pattern, we need first to find the rule being followed in the number pattern. The rules may be add, subtract, multiply, or divide. To find out the rule, we need to see the first few numbers in the series. Try to see the difference between consecutive numbers. It will help us understand the relationship between the numbers. So, 0 to 5. 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20, and 20 to 25. This one we call the pattern number above increase by 5. Example 2. Look at number here. 18, 15, 12, 9, 6, and 3. 18 to 15 is subtract 3. 15 to 12 is subtract 3. 12 to 9 is subtract 3. 9 to 6 is subtract 3. And 6 to 3 is subtract 3. So what is the number pattern here? The pattern number above decrease by 3 because the subtraction of 3 for each number. And the number from number 8 to number 3 means it became smaller. Okay, now your task today. Textbook page 12. Number 1. Determine the number patterns. A, B, and C. Number 3. Complete the number line. State its pattern. Where's number 2? Okay, no need to do number 2. Just number 1 and number 3. Thank you for today's class. Hope to see you next class.